And I know for a lot of us, we may not even have time to read 2, 3, 4 books in the year. So in this video, I'll be talking about an application that you can use as a CEO or entrepreneur so you can read multiple books in a short amount of time. What's up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. Now, in the world of entrepreneurship, it's way different from having a job because usually once your job day ends, you're done. But as an entrepreneur, it seems like a never-ending cycle of what you have to do. So trying to find time to read books and do other activities is a bit strenuous. Now, this application was created by two CEOs, Lopez and Mehr, and they came up with the concept of having the author actually, talk about their book, give you the most important tidbits of the book in a 10 to 20 minute period. So now you're getting and grasping the concept of the book without having to read that book for a long period of time. And why this is amazing is you get to get the concept of a book without the longevity of the time. Now let's head into the computer and take a look at this app and see why it's so incredible. So guys, here we have Mentorbox, and if you're interested in getting started, go and check my description. There will be a link where you can save some money on getting started. But as you can see, here we have the main menu, and you can see all the authors that they have to offer. And usually, if you go into a book like this, it might take you a week or two, maybe 3, depending on how heavily you're reading it. But as you can see, Dave Knox has taken his book, separated it into separate sections, and these sections aren't that lengthy. And I don't think it will take you more than maybe 30 minutes to 35 minutes to get through this whole thing. So you get through the whole book in a matter of 35 to 40 minutes. You grasp all the knowledge that you need from the book, but you don't go through the headache of having to wait 3 to 4 weeks to sift through all the filler information, all the BS, trying to get the tidbits that you need to be successful, which is awesome. This pretty much, it cuts out all the fat and you just get all to the juicy, important stuff, which is important. Now, other than this, they do have a lot of other things to offer. They have a mastermind group as well. So they got the mastermind group here where you can, join the group, talk to people. As you can see, it's growing. It has a very big membership, as well as Mentorbox advisory. They have a Mentorbox advisor where you can get mentoring from your favorite Mentorbox instructors. I mean, come on, it has so much to offer. And also it has a physical box. So if you decide maybe you don't want to go through the application and listen, you can get a physical box mailed to your house. And what you will receive is you'll receive 2 books, 2 video lessons taught by authors, 2 never before seen workshops, 2 laminated speed reading cheat sheets, 2 workbooks, 2 audio executive summaries, an advanced audio program, and much, much more. Now, for these, it can be a little bit more expensive compared to the application part, but it all depends on personal preference. And they have much more. They have the Money and Investment Club. They got audiobook nuggets, they got the Alex engine, they got a career academy. They have a lot to offer. Now currently I'm only in the business section. I'm only getting access to the business books, but man, when I tell you I'm speeding through all these business books, I'm getting a lot of valuable information as an entrepreneur and CEO of my company, and it allows me to do other things and not spend all my time reading books. So it's really killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You're grasping a lot of information as well as getting to read your favorite books in a shorter amount of time. Now, if you want to read 52 books or more in a year, be sure to go and check my description for a link to get Mentorbox at a discounted price, man. It's definitely a great option for entrepreneurs, CEOs, or anybody who just wants to read books faster. And just a pro tip, when you're first getting started with it, it will try to add in a lot of bonuses and extras. I would definitely try to get involved in them because they are at an extremely discounted price compared to if you decide not to do it and then maybe a week or two you're like, okay, this is pretty good, I want to hop into it. You're pretty much gonna pay full price for them. So definitely look into the bonuses, check if it's something, you know, that you might eventually get, so you might as well save some dollars there instead of waiting a few months and then deciding to get it. If you got value from this video, be sure to go and give this video a like and go subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. I'm Brandon Young and I will see you in my next video. Peace.